How to open a shared OneNote in your OneNote app or the desktop app version. So first of all, you can try opening your shared OneNote in your OneDrive. As long as it's shared to you or you've already opened it, you should be able to see the file directly here in your home page as a recent OneNote notebook file. So once you've done that, open up the OneNote notebook and you'll see this option here. If you don't see this, you're just gonna go ahead and try restarting the link, or again, as I've said, open up the file by your OneDrive. Then make sure you are also signed in order for you to do this. So press on this and you will be able to see the open in desktop option. You can allow this if you'd like, but just go ahead and press on open, and that's pretty much it. The file will be opened in the desktop version. So hopefully this helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.